and welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. In this episode, I fall through the ice. I was literally just putting one more hole in the ice, and I was in a soft spot and just went straight through. Right after I fell through the ice, I decided that I really wasn't that cold yet, so we just kept fishing. And that's when we laid into a bunch of fish until I couldn't really take it anymore. So, enjoy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I must say, I guess you're not a real ice fisherman until you fall through the ice. I gotta show you guys this. I lost Travis's auger. As you can see, my footprints. I'm soaking. This is no joke. I was about to put the auger down, and I just went right through. I went through another soft spot that, well, looked like a soft spot over there was 7 inches thick. So, you live and you learn, I guess. I think that might have put an end to ice fishing today. Oh, man. Oh, my hands are getting cold. Quick. Oh, man. Wish I got that on film. Oh, grubby. I am soaked. Wow, wow, wow. Well, how's that? Out here in a blizzard and I fall through the ice. I don't even know what to say. Everything's soaking wet. Travis didn't even see it happen. Ugh. He was like coming up to go to the car to put the drill in the car, were you?
I heard you yell, yeah.
And then he heard me yell.
Yeah.
While I was in the water, I yelled. Because I didn't know what to expect, so I did a quick yell. And then I assessed the situation.
No, I heard. I'm pretty sure that's what I heard.
Yeah, that was the yell.
And I was like, oh, maybe he just lost the auger. And then I saw the wet spot. And no auger.
Yeah, that could, well, because it literally, like, I was about to put the auger down. And I just went prompt, prompt, prompt. Like, all of me, the auger. And I hadn't even started. I didn't even, like, I didn't even, like, put it down hard. It was just, that spot was probably, like, I would say, give or take 2 inches. Like 1.5 inches maybe. Because, like, the first hole I drilled in the spot that looked exactly the same was 7 inches. I'm a beast, dude.
No, but do you have those picks?
Nope. I'm just a beast. No, I put my arms first. I crawled, I weigh like 2 pounds. I pulled myself out with my arms.
Good thing you got out quick, because you get soaked and you get heavier. Like if the bibs started
I feel pretty heavy right now. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Pretty frozen.
I'm not cold.
Because you have a frozen shell on the outside.
Because I have
it froze. That's why. When we make snow in the wintertime, we don't bring our shit inside to thaw out, because it's wet and it freezes. Now you're insulated. If you bring it inside, it dries out, gets wet, and it saturates it all.
If I had more gloves, I would say I would continue for a little bit, because I'm not cold.
I have gloves.
Do you have gloves? Well, let's continue for a little bit. Yeah, my gloves are soaked. 17 degrees outside. Travis is going to give me some gloves. I think I got a couple more warm packets. Hopefully. I can't believe I'm alive right now. I feel like people's biggest problem when that happens is they panic. And that was the one thing I did not do. Oh, I wish I got that on film. If I got that on film, it would have been gold. Yeah, so I'm soaked from head to toe, but I got like 20,000 layers on. And and then I just got these sweet yellow gloves from Trav. So like, life's pretty good right now. I'm gonna try and be a man out here after falling through the ice and catch us a fish. So we have ourselves a show.
Catch a pike.
Oh my God.
You were almost pike bait.
I was almost pike food. They would have been ripping me apart at the bottom by the time the authorities came out here. Well, we'll see you back out there. Travis's far flag just went up. Here we go, folks. We're braving the storm. I fell through the ice. This could be a fish. Anything?
Yeah, if it is, it's not big. Yeah, there's something on there, it feels like.
Pickerel? Perch. Nice.
It's a fish, though, huh?
That's a fish, baby.
I'd say.
Woo!
Chunky. Happy chunky fish.
Yeah, decent. Makes me want to jig right here.
Good hook, too. Little belly. Chia prego. Ready for the flip?
Woo! Look at that. All my tracks are already almost covered up by the snow. But, that's it. That was almost my demise right there. These frabills are sick. I can't believe I'm still warm right now. And not like freezing my ass off. In 17 degrees in a blizzard, soaking wet from head to toe. This has got a... You got a fish? Oh man, I haven't seen a smallmouth.
Look at that rugged little f***er.
That's sweet. Locked in right now. Ladies and gents, we gotta look at that beautiful.
Beautiful smallie. Nice colors.
That's
Thing is
sick.
rugged, dude.
That's the first smallie I've seen pull through the ice.
This is rugged. You can just tell he's just tough as nails.
Jaw. Oh.
You hear that? Yeah, check him out.
Pretty sweet, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful bass.
Alright, we'll send him back. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, get out of here. There you go.
Woo!
Flag.
Fish on. Nice. I got my first fish of the day. We got a smallmouth through the ice and two perch. Look at this guy. We're out in a blizzard, baby. Woo! Looks like it's going straight down. Is the bait still there? You got something?
Yeah. Whoa. It's fast. Whatever it is. Oh. It's decent.
Ladies and gentlemen, blizzard fishing.
Oh, it's just a big fat perch.
Another big fatty perch.
Oh! Dude.
Oh. What do you got, a perch? All right, that's fish number 4 and 5, blizzard after falling through the ice. Travis over there, he just got a perch. I didn't get it on film. Too damn cold for that. Oh, we got another flag, folks.
Here we go. It says number 6.
Fish.
Ooh. Feels like it looks like it's got a little pull.
It's tugging.
Weird. We found a perch hole, my friends. Listen to the little skinny here. It's probably a male. You can see how he looks different.
Yeah.
Look how skinny he is.
Yeah, baby.
That's a male. Guaranteed. Goddamn whiteout conditions. Well, that makes it easy. We'll wrap this trap right up.
Yep. See you later, bud. Later, bud.
Later, bud.
Woo!
Look at that thing! Holy!
Slabby. That is a beauty.
Yeah, that's definitely chunkier than the last. That thing was so skinny.
See ya. All right, so we caught we caught six perch and one smallie. We've only been out here for a couple hours in this blizzard, but I fell through the ice and I'm starting to actually get really cold. My feet are soaking wet. It took a while for the cold to make my boots cold enough to start cooling off my feet, but at this point I gotta get the hell off the ice before I get frostbite. I'm starting to feel it pretty hard. So I got one more trap to break down. Travis has two. I'm gonna go get in the truck and start warming up. Woo! No cool breakdown today because it's too cold to be doing that shit. If I didn't fall through the ice, we probably would have stayed out here another hour or so. But I'm a Ladies and gentlemen, the lucky tip up did not go off. We had ourselves a fish. It didn't even spool any line out. I was like, what is the button's right here?
That's how you know.
It felt heavy though. We could have had perch dinner tonight. That's 7 perch. Wow. Awesome. Yeah. Woo! Travis is peeing. We're catching fish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in Travis's vehicle. It was a short and sweet outing today. If my feet didn't feel ridiculously frozen right now, I would have stayed out longer. I'm taking them off right now. Oh boy. It's soaking wet. Look at the layer of ice on me. It's all over me. But it penetrated, the water penetrated my boot more than anything. And my heat pad just filled up with the water. Once my boot got actually cold, I couldn't take it any longer. Oh, my feet are like frozen. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. As always, fish on. Ladies and gents, as you can see, completely and totally soaked. But good thing those things come out of my boots. My gloves from being put into the water and then being left in my sled the entire time are frozen. Like, literally frozen solid. I fell through the ice.
Did you? You okay?
Yeah.
Am I on camera? No!
I kind of feel like a badass. An idiot, but still a badass.
Get it out of there.
I don't know many people that would fall through the ice and then continue to fish. And then fish on. Yes! That's a good day.